In databases, what is multi-leader replication architecture? Let's say your database has one primary and two replicas. Every write by the users has to travel to this primary database machine. This is absolutely fine until your users are in different continents. If your primary database is sitting in Virginia and some of the users are located in Sydney, then every write to database from Sydney is a 200 millisecond round trip across the planet. And if that Virginia region goes down, nobody can write anything at all. So multi-leader replication does the obvious thing. You put one database leader in each region, and each leader accepts writes from the users nearest to it. Then each leader exchange the new writes and share the new data with other leaders. So if somebody has written to Sydney database, then the change would show up in Virginia after a few seconds. So now even if you lose Sydney region, the other leaders have the fresh data and keeps taking writes. But this architecture has a massive challenge. Let's say we have two users, Alan and John. Alan access row number 1 million and change value of X to 7 in the Sydney region. And at the same time, John also access the same row in Virginia region, row number 1 million, and changes value of X to 9. Both leaders in Virginia and Sydney accept the write because neither leader knew about the other write. So now what's the true value of X? Now we have to pick a winner between these two leaders because we can't have two values of X. So most systems have a default behavior that the last write wins. So whichever write has later timestamps survives, and the other one is quietly thrown away. But as database owner, you can write your own merge logic if you don't want to pick based on timestamps. In practical world, teams try to design the application so that conflicts doesn't happen. For example, all writes for a particular customer can be routed to one designated leader. Then, Sydney owns one set of data, and Virginia owns another set of data. So the two leaders normally aren't modifying the same records at the same time. That's why multi-leader replication works well when writes can be naturally divided by region, customer, or some other ownership boundary.